So, A Poison Tree by William Blake. I was angry with my friend. I told my wrath did end. So, with a friend, if I am angry, if I was angry and I told my wrath, I told my, angered upon him. Okay, strong feeling of anger. I showed it, and it did end. So it did not stay longer. I was angry with my foe, but when I became angry with my enemy, I told it not. I could not say it. I could not express. I could not express it. My wrath did grow, and my anger became more and more. And I watered it in fears, night and morning with my tears. So when you are not telling, you are suppressing something, then sometimes he has cried for it. Okay, so he watered it in fears, night and morning with tears, and I shunned it with smiles. But when in the morning, when night was over, in the morning, to outside, he showed it with his smiles, and soft, deceitful wiles, deceitful, cunning, Hokiba, deceitful wiles. Wiles means tricks. I tried to hide it. And it grew both day and night. So every day it grew. Means in the day it grew, in the night it grew. Till I bore an apple bright. Till it bore an apple bright. So till it became, or bear. Bear means to get something. Bear. Mane to get. Bear means holiday. So till it bear an apple bright. So it was now bright like an apple. And my foe behind it shine. My foe beheld it shine. So he could see the shining of it, or he could see it, and he knew that it was mine, and it is my anger. Now he is able to see it. And into my garden stole when the night had veiled the pole. So one day he came into my garden in the very night. Okay, it is completely dark night. In that time when the pole star also was not seen, right, was hidden. In the morning, glad I see, but what happened? In the morning I could see him. I was glad to see him, my foe outstretched beneath the tree. So he is falling stressed, ପଡ଼ିଛି ଲମ୍ବା ହେଇକିରି ପଡ଼ିଛି outstretched, ମାନେ ମରି ଯାଇଛି beneath the tree, ହେଲା, under a tree. So it is a William Blake was an English painter and poet. He was not very well known during his lifetime, but his work later inspired many great writers and poets, including William Butler Yeats and Aldous Huxley. His thoughts on human nature and spirituality are thought of as original and groundbreaking. Means it is they are so impressive. Okay, groundbreaking. In his simple but powerful poem, William Blake, in this simple but powerful poem, William Blake describes how a feeling of anger, which soon disappears if there is a goodwill and friendship, that doesn't remain forever, eh? Uh, can become deadly poison. Okay, if instead there is distrust and enmity. ଯଦି enmity ଥିବ ସେଇ angerଟା can become a poison, deadly poison. Using the metaphor of a poison tree, the poet creates a vivid picture of how such anger hidden in mind grows daily by feeding on other harmful feelings such as fear. So because of anger also fear comes. In the end it becomes capable of causing great destruction. ये जो गुड़ा माइंड रे रखिछि बोली हैला, it can make great destruction, and a wicked sense of pleasure in it. ତେଣୁ okay, so wicked sense of pleasure in it. So he is actually okay, it may not be actually, this last paragraph, he may not be dead, really he may not be dead. Okay, no, not revenge also, it is not dead actually. What he is telling, that it is a poison tree. His mind, the whatever thoughts are coming, they are only tree. They are just the trees. Understood? Under it that man now lying. Under it that man is now lying. Okay, that means lying dead. That means he is thinking some very bad things. Okay, he's thinking, so that is why it is not that his man has been dead. it ଲେଖିଛି ନା, actually ସେ କହୁଛି ଯେ ତୁମର ଏଟା ସେ ମାନେ these are dead means this type of thoughts are coming to him, that something will happen. It may not be, it is not actually that man is dead. Okay, maybe he is dreaming of in the morning, in the night he is dreaming that man has come, and in the morning it ends with his murder, being dead. So poison tree ଟାକୁ କହିଛି ଯେ one type of